Hello dear students, welcome you all online lecture series of third chapter, second lecture bookkeeping and accountancy. Third chapter, that is admission of partner. In previous lecture I have explained you meaning of reconstitution of partnership means change in relationship of partner. Different ways of reconstitution, meaning and definition of admission of a partner with illustration, capital brought by new partner in cash or kinds of a asset. I have also explained ratio and two types of a ratio, new ratio and sacrifice ratio. In this video, we are going to learn calculation of new ratio or sacrifice ratio with example. How to calculate new ratio? Example number second. Ramesh and Ganesh are partners, sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 3:2. They decide to admit Karthik as partner for 1/5 share. Calculate new ratio. Ramesh and Ganesh are old partners. Ramesh and Ganesh ratio is given 3:2 and new partner is admitted. New partner's name is here Karthik. Karthik profit sharing ratio is given here 1/5 in future. Calculate new ratio. Old ratio Ramesh 3 and Ganesh 2 means 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Ramesh old ratio is here 3/5 and Ganesh old ratio is here 2/5. Balance of 1 is equal to 1 minus new partners Karthik's share is equal to balance of 1 rupees prices of 1 minus 1/5 is equal to 5 minus 1 upon 5 is equal to 4/5. Balance of 1 is equal to 4/5. New ratio is equal to old ratio into balance of 1. Now Ramesh is a old partner. So write down here old ratio. 3/5 ratio is calculated first. So write down here 3/5 into balance of 1 4/5. 3/5 into 4/5 means 4 3s are 12 and 5 5s are 25. 12 divided by 25. Ramesh ratio. Then Ganesh ratio. Ganesh also old partner. So write down here old ratio 2/5 into balance of 1 4/5 is equal to 4 2s are 8 and 5 5s are 25. So Ganesh ratio is here 8 divided by 25. Then Karthik. Karthik is a new partner. Karthik's ratio, future ratio is given here 1/5 and balance of 1 price is here 5/5. So 5 ones are 5 and 5 5s are 25. 5/5 is a Karthik new ratio. New ratio of Ramesh, Ganesh and Karthik will be 12 divided by 25, 8 divided by 25 and 5 divided by 25 is that 12 raised to 8 raised to 5. What is the sacrificing ratio in partnership? Let us go through sacrifice ratios in admission. If sacrifice ratio of all partners is given along with old ratio, the new ratio can be calculated. Students, let us see meaning of sacrifice ratio. When new partner is admitted, all partners have to sacrifice their share of profit to give the share of profit to new partner. The old partners sacrifice their share of profit is called as sacrifice ratio. This ratio is used to retain the goodwill in premium method. In this chapter, change in the profit sharing ratio due to admission of partner. New Now calculate sacrifice ratio. Example number first. Rohan is a old partner. Shanti is a old partner. Rohan sells sacrifice his 1/3 share to Arjun, and Shanti sells sacrifice her 1/2 share to Arjun. Sacrifice share of Rohan is equal to 1/5 and sacrifice share of Shanti is equal to 1/5. Sacrifice ratio of Rohan and Shanti is equal to 1:1. Arjun got 2/5 share of profit. First step, calculation of total profit. Total profit is calculated by adding the profits of the previous years and deducting the loss if any. Means total year's profit is adding and loss is deducting year in calculation of total profit. Example, profits losses of the past 4 years are as follows. Year 2016 amount 1,20,000 profit. 2016's profit 1,20,000. 2017's profit rupees 80,000. 2018 profit loss rupees 20,000 and 2019 profit rupees 60,000. The total profit will be as follows. Total profit is equal to 1,20,000 plus 80,000 plus 60,000 less loss 20,000 is equal to 2,60,000. Total profit is a 2,60,000 minus 20,000 is a loss. Profit is a 2,60,000 minus deducted here loss 20,000. 2018's loss. So total profit is equal to rupees 2,40,000. Second step, calculation of average profit. Average profit is equal to total profit divided by number of years. Total profit, average profit is formula of average profit, total profit divided by numbers of years. Then average profit is equal to 2,40,000, that is given in above example. 2,40,000 divided by 4 years. 4 years profit is given, so divided by 4 year. Loss year also add year. Profit or loss year also add year. Average profit is equal to 60,000. 4 6 are 24. So 60,000. Third step, calculation of goodwill. Goodwill is valued at certain number of years purchase of average profit. Thus, goodwill can be calculated by using the following formula. Goodwill is equal to average profit into number of years purchase. In above example, if goodwill is to be calculated as 2 years purchase of average profit, then goodwill is equal to 60,000 into 2. Let us see here formula of goodwill. Average profit into number of years purchase. Average profit we have calculated. So write down here 60,000 and years purchase into 2. Number of years purchase 2. So goodwill is here 1,20,000. Average profit method. Under this method, goodwill is calculated on the average basis of the past number of years of profit. Average profit is calculated on the average basis of the past number of years of profit. It is assumed that the firm will maintain average profit for next certain years also. So the goodwill is calculated on the basis of certain number of years purchase of average profit. Under this method, calculating the value of goodwill as follows. Following 3 steps are follow. First steps, total profit is equal to total profit minus loss. या deduct loss. Second steps, average profit is equal to total profits divided number of given years. Then third steps, goodwill is equal to average profit into number of years purchase. Third method, super profit method. Super profit which is earned over and above the normal profit is known as super profit. Under this method, goodwill is valued at certain number of years purchase. Goodwill is valued certain number of years purchase of the super profit of the firm. Under this method, amount of goodwill is calculated as follows. First step, calculation of total profit is equal to profit minus deduct loss. Step second, calculation of average profit. Average profit formula is here. Average profit is equal to total profits divided by number of years. Third step, calculation of normal profit is equal to normal profit is equal to capital employed into normal rate of returns. Normal rate of returns divided by 100. Capital employed, it is the amount of capital used by the firm to start and run the business activities. Normal rate of returns, it is the rate of return normally earned by the firm in the same industry, or it is the profit expected by the investor on the capital employed. Step 4th, calculation of super profit. Super profit is equal to average profit minus normal profit. Calculation of a super profit formula is a super profit is equal to average profit minus normal profit. Step 5th, calculation of goodwill. Goodwill is equal to super profit into number of years purchase. Student, we have studied calculation of new profit. We have studied calculation of sacrifice ratio. We have studied Student, we have studied calculation of a profit. Student, we have studied average profit method. We have studied calculation of sacrifice ratio or new ratio with example. We have learned how to calculate new ratio and sacrifice ratio. Student, we have calculate total profit method, total profit, average profit or super profit. Average profit method, total profit method or super profit method. This chapter is very important for board exam. So watch my video. Thank you for watching my video.